company motto. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Go.
Cherish the
spirit,
spirit,
create
the vision, follow the faith, serve in humility. Adya, adya, adya.
Adya.
Yan. Okay. So, yan po ang aming company motto. So, kung ayaw niyo pong gawin si business, i-follow lang natin yung ating company motto. So, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. So, Tuesday Atomy is where you join para mag-take ng action. Even if it's just a small step on a daily basis, consistently, will definitely change your life. So, let me ask you something. Kung nakakita na ba kayo ng yung ilog na pabaliktad? Pabaliktad yung agos. Siyempre hindi pa, 'di ba? Laging yung agos ng tubig is pababa, from mataas pababa. Laging ang flow is pa ganon. It flows over, around, and through it. Kahit na may mga rocks, may mga pebbles, umaagos pa rin yung tubig. So, that's just the kind of determination that we need in our business sa ating Atomy. And today we are here to do just that. Kung previously we have the Go 100, 100, 100 challenge, kung natatandaan nyo, we have done reaching out to 100 people, we have done attending a seminars, we have built consumers and business partners. So today, sana may makuha kayong strategies in our 8 steps to success. And before we dive in, let's watch our company profile. Let me know if you can hear it.
The company that has remained steadfast and kept the right principles. The company headed toward the world with the right principles. The company that grows with its customers and shares generously. We are Atomy. Atomy, which has been growing ever since its establishment in 2009, is a global network marketing company with a presence across the globe. Atomy's #1 goal of going beyond customer satisfaction to customer success continues to be its top priority to this day. Providing good quality products at reasonable prices. Atomy's competitiveness lies in the nature of distribution. The absolute quality and absolute price product philosophy that Atomy has practiced since its inception is included in all of its products, such as health functional foods, beauty, living, food, fashion, home appliances, and more. Surpassed $2.14 billion in cumulative sales, ranked #1 in domestic health functional food exports. Developed as part of a national project by the Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute, Hemohim holds 28 international patents and made history in 2024 by being the first in the country to offer dual health benefits, immune boost and fatigue relief. Absolute Skincare, a flagship product, has surpassed $714 million in cumulative sales. It received the King Sejong Award from the Korean Intellectual Property Office, a first in cosmetics, and was named as a world-class product for next generation by the Ministry of Trade, Industry and Energy. Atomy prioritizes customers, earning customer-centered management certification for 3 consecutive years, a rare industry feat. Since opening its U.S. branch in 2010, Atomy has grown into a global hub, linking producers and consumers worldwide through 26 branches in Asia, South America, Oceania, and Europe. Atomy products have proven overwhelmingly popular in international markets, achieving the top export ranking for health functional foods and over-the-counter medications. Following the $300 million Export Tower Award, the company reached cumulative exports of $2 billion in 2025. After launching its EU branch, Atomy plans to expand globally, focusing on Africa, Central and South America, and other emerging markets. Atomy's GSGS strategy, which stands for Global Sourcing, Global Sales, allows the supply of products that align with the absolute quality and absolute price philosophy through Atomy's global sales network. Atomi's success system, in which the company runs all seminars, allows any member to succeed regardless of individual ability. This is the driving force behind Atomi's distinctive growth. Success seminars that bridge online and offline realms vividly communicate Atomi's vision to members worldwide, presenting a vision of global success that goes beyond time and space by merging business and culture. The ACTS project has been initiated to cultivate global leaders and empower active members around the world. Atomy continues to provide unwavering support for success, including the reopening of Songnisan Forest as a hub for the Atomy brand experience. Now Atomy goes one step further. We are preparing A-Care, a wellness solution that curates your whole life beyond your physical health. Realize a balanced life through customized management based on data and AI. To achieve absolute quality and absolute price, and to ensure commitment to quality from its partners, Atomy provides various support measures for partnering companies, such as cash payment within 1 week from delivery, interest-free operating fund loans, and joint quality management systems, among others. These create a culture of a company growth. Atomy is implementing various policies to ensure sustainable coexistence with the Earth. The company promotes resource recycling and environmental restoration through product renewals aimed at zero plastic initiatives, increasing the use of biodegradable plastics and eco-friendly materials, and introducing smart packaging solutions. Atomy's contributions surpass not only its industry and the distribution sector, but also stand at the top level nationally. Over the past 3 years, the company's donation percentage relative to revenue has been 30 times that of the distribution industry, ranking first among Korea's top 500 companies. As a result, it has earned various government awards and certifications, including the Government Award for Sustainable Management, Good Donor Award, Family Friendly Company, and Good Place to Work Asia. Atomy's culture of sharing has expanded beyond national borders, with the company, members, partner companies, and executives actively engaging in social contribution activities worldwide. The company that holds true to its principles while creating a new distribution culture. The company expanding globally with the trust of people around the world. The company that dreams of customer success while moving beyond customer satisfaction. The company that cherishes the spirit. We are proud Atomy.
Yes, we are proud Atomy. So yan po ang ating napakagandang company profile. So kung hindi nyo po masyadong na-gets or nakuha, make sure na panoorin ulit ng paulit-ulit. Okay, so sa mga hindi pa naghimuhim, okay, take your himuhim to start your day. If you trust this product, you will be in good hands. Okay, so let me welcome you a special guest all the way from Singapore, yan, sa Asia. Kung sa Amerika, umaga, sa Asia is gabi, because Atomy is a global business. And hopefully, mag-write down kayo ng notes. And if you guys have any question, please comment it at sasagutin natin tomorrow sa ating Wellness Wednesday. Okay? Without further ado, a great leader all the way from Singapore. Hindi ko siya kilala, but then kilala siya ng kapatid ko. So I'm so grateful and I'm so lucky, and our entire family and Marinduque Global Center is so lucky to have her. No other than Sales Master Belen Padilla. Let's give her a big hand. The floor is yours, SM Belen. Nakamute ka pa?
Okay, wait lang. Let me...
Okay,
Is
great.
my screen okay?
Yep, go ahead.
Okay. Hello po sa lahat at magandang gabi. Welcome sa Marinduque Global Center Tuesday Zoom meeting. I'm SM Belen Padilla and I'm married with SM Ramil and we have two children. Pareho na silang malaki. So isang 19 years old at isang 23 years old. I previously worked as quality system engineer in a manufacturing company here in Singapore for more than 15 years. So actually, we come here, mga 18 years na kami dito sa Singapore. And I joined Atomy in December 2021 and I'm a proud sales master and aiming to be a diamond master soon. So, welcome and I hope I can share something tonight. So, today we will talk about Atomy's 8 steps to success. So, again, I'm SM Belen Padilla. According to Oxford Language, success is defined as the accomplishment of an aim or purpose. And according to Merriam-Webster, success is defined as the desired outcome of an attempt, the attainment of wealth, favor, or eminence, or the satisfactory completion of something. How about you? What is your definition of success? Sa mga nanonood sa atin sa FB Live, ano ba ang definition nyo ng success? Paano nyo masasabi na tayo ay successful? What is success? For some people, maybe they will relate it to wealth, health, family, how they enjoy life, fame, business, freedom. So there's a lot of maybe way for us to define what is success. But for you, how will you define success? For me, this is my definition of success. I am successful when I become Imperial Master. Because in Atomy, when we become Imperial Master, we actually receive a total of 56,560,000 pesos. That's from the cash promotion bonus only, not including general commissions, the free travels, yung car, yung office, at saka yung sponsorship allowances, at marami pang iba. So can you imagine how rich we are kapag naging Imperial Master tayo dito sa Atomy? But aside from being money rich, you know what is more fulfilling? To reach Imperial Master level in Atomy, it means there will be at least 4 Crown Masters, at least 12 Royal Masters, at least 36 Star Masters, at least 108 Sharon Rose Masters, at least 312 Diamond Masters, and at least 972 Sales Masters in your team. So it means maraming magiging successful sa team bago tayo maging Imperial Master. And that is the real definition of success for me. Achieving my goal and bringing more successful team members with me. But the question is, how to be Imperial Master? Paano nga ba maging Imperial Master? Kasi ang sarap, no? Kakaroon tayo ng 56 million. Bonus pa lang yun. Bukod pa dyan yung general commissions at yung mga iba pang mga income na pwede nating ma-achieve. So, syempre, kung gusto natin na maging Imperial Master, kailangan nating i-work for it. Kailangan nating trabahuhin. We don't just wait. Kasi hindi naman porke nag-join na tayo sa Atomy, yayaman na tayo. Hindi ganun. Syempre, kailangan din natin magtrabaho. And before we start, I would like to share this about the difference between hard work and smart work. Both of them are carrying items. Of course, meron silang target kung saan nila dadalhin yung items. Yung isa, kini-carry by himself. So all the force, kailangan niya yon. Kailangan niya ng matinding lakas para mabuhat yung lahat ng karton na kailangan niyang bitbitin. Pero yung isa, gumamit siya ng push cart para mas madali niyang mahakot yung mga karton. So, in this another example, tinutulak yung cube, which is napakabigat. Kung malayo yung distance na pupuntahan natin, mahirap magtulak lalo na kung mabigat. So unlike this wise person, ang ginawa niya, tinabas niya or tinabtaban niya yung cube para maging round. At the end, mas madali na siyang i-push kasi nga bilog na siya. And this is magandang halimbawa ng ating Atomy business. Kasi sa Atomy, sa umpisa, kailangan nating mag-exert ng maraming effort. Kailangan nating magtrabaho ng matindi. So, parang kailangan nating magtrabaho para yung square maging bilog. Pero once na natrabaho na natin at nakapag-build na tayo ng magandang foundation, tuloy-tuloy na yung success. Mas mabilis na ang pagiging successful. So, sabi nila, don't just work hard. Work with intelligence. So, hindi na lang basta work hard. Kailangan, we do it correctly. And we are very lucky kasi sabi ko lagi kapag nag-present ako sa Atomy, si Atomy ay napakabait, napaka-generous kasi lahat ng training pinoprovide niya sa ating lahat. So, nandyan ang success system ng Atomy. We have the Success Academy, yung katulad nito na online Zoom meeting, may mga center meeting, one-day seminar, global seminar, at marami ring available sa channel Atomy at mga video na pwede nating mapanood para tayo ay maging successful. At ayan ay isang proven na, napatunayan na totoong magsasucess sa Atomy dahil marami na tayong Imperial Masters. Marami na ang nakarating sa pinakamataas na level, which is yung Imperial Master. So, mayroon na tayong 16 Imperial Masters, if I am not wrong, 16 or 17. And what's common to all of them? Lahat sila nagpa-plug in sa system. They always attend this kind of trainings. Kasi dito talaga tayo magiging successful. Sabi ni CEO, the law of success is already set. If we will follow the law, we will succeed. So, sundan lang natin yung yapak ng mga Imperial Master. Sundan natin yung mga leaders natin. Kasi, kung susundan natin sila, magiging successful tayo. And as I have mentioned earlier, our topic for tonight is about 8 steps to success. So let's discuss these 8 steps to success kasi proven effective na siya. Ito yung ginagawa ng ating mga leaders at ito yung mga ginawa ng ating mga Imperial Masters. At kung gagawin natin to ng consistent, alam ko na we will be successful also. Lahat tayo may chance na maging Imperial Master. So ano nga ba yung 8 steps to success? Ang first step is set a goal. And our goal is to have a balanced life. Sabi ni Napoleon Hill, the starting point of all achievement is desire. Keep in this constantly in mind. Weak desire brings weak results, just as a small fire makes a small amount of heat. So, how do we set our goal? Kailangan yung goal natin, hindi siya just, hindi lang siya maliit. Dapat malaki. Dapat ang tinatarget natin yung mas pinapangarap natin para sa ating balanced life. And how do we set the goal? We write down our dreams and our desire. Example, what type of life do we want? What is the most precious thing in my life? Why do we want to achieve them? Ano ba talagang gusto natin? Sabi nga nila, kapag nanghihina tayo sa Atomy, lagi nating isipin, from the start, bakit ba tayo nag-umpisa? Why? We should always remember what is our big why we want to succeed. And we need to create goals to bring us closer to that dreams. Think deeply. Ano ba yung mga pwede nating gawin? O ano ba yung mga aksyon na dapat nating gawin para maging closer tayo sa dream na pinapangarap natin? Set goals and plans for our life and whatever we want to achieve. You are the director, the main character, the architect. So dream of a balanced life where you live, love, learn, and contribute. So ano yung balanced life na gusto natin? Play this out like a movie. Even over and over again. Kasi our brain does not know reality. Everything was just first imagined. So kung ano yung palagi nating piniplay, kung ano yung lagi nating iniisip, kung ano yung lagi nating ginagawa, magfa-follow yung ating brain. Kaya nga very much related din yung ating 8 core daily habits. Kasi kapag paulit-ulit nating ginagawa, parang nagiging natural na lang siya sa atin. So when we set a goal, kailangan yung goal natin malaki. We should dream vividly. In Atomy, we have this life scenario. So yung life scenario, this is where we can write and visualize our goals. We can write our life scenario in our Atomy personal platform. So actually, kapag pumunta po tayo sa ating Atomy na personal platform, pag pumunta tayo sa my office, makikita natin doon yung life scenario. And then mag-guide tayo doon kung paano gawin yung life scenario. Ano yung ating mga life plans, ano yung mga goal natin para sa ating mastership. So, please visit and update your life scenario kasi maganda pong yan yung very first step. Kasi kung wala tayong goal, para tayong naglalakad nang hindi natin alam kung saan tayo pupunta. Kaya talagang ang first step ay mag-set tayo ng goal. At dapat very clear, dapat maliwanag ano ba talaga yung ating goal. Sabi nga ng ating chairman, if we dream vividly, it will definitely come true. Kasi nga, yun yung ating iniisip. Yun yung ating laging nasa isip, nasa puso, pinlay na natin siya sa ating sarili. So, let us dream of a balanced life. Gawin natin yung kung ano talaga yung makakapagpasaya sa atin. Ano ba talaga yung goal natin? Isulat natin. At sabi ng ating chairman, importante na sinusulat. At kailangan din nating i-announce. Kasi para tayo ay sabi nga, i-attract natin yung universe. At saka kapag ating ina-announce, mas napupursige tayo kasi syempre kailangan nating ma-achieve. Kasi sinabi na natin eh. Kaya, katulad ngayon, sabi ko magiging Diamond Master ako. Oh my God. Kailangan talagang ma-achieve. Kaya yung goal na yun, we are really working for that. So, marami tayong mga kailangang actions. Pero ang importante, meron tayong goal na nakaset at alam natin kung ano yung ating patutunguhan. So that's the first step. So remember, kailangan may naset tayong goal para alam natin kung saan tayo pupunta. And we need to dream vividly to that point na parang totoong-totoo na na-achieve na natin yung ating goal or yung ating dream. Parang sabi nga ni chairman, kailangan kung ano yung gusto natin. So kung naiisip natin na tayo ay successful, dapat makita ng tao sa ating sarili na tayo ay successful. So let's set the goal and let's have a balanced life. The next step is commitment. So, commitment. Kasi syempre, meron tayong sinet na goal. Pero, kung yung sinet lang natin, pero hindi naman tayo committed to do the actions that we set para ma-achieve yung goal natin, then baliwala lang. So, we need to be the center of our being influenced by them. We need to be always positive, spreading positive words, and willing to work hard and intelligently. We will meet many type of people. Marami dyan, mga negative ang sasabihin. Especially kapag narinig nila network marketing. Hindi talaga maganda ang impression ng maraming tao sa network marketing. Kaya minsan medyo nag-i-struggle tayo. Pero if we are committed, we really want to succeed, we should disregard them. Kailangan hindi natin pansinin yung mga negative na yon. Huwag tayong magpapadala sa mga negative na sinasabi ng tao. Always remember your biggest why. Ano ba yung goal mo? Ano yung sinet natin sa step 1? So kung tayo ay magiging negative at tayo ay titigil, malamang hindi na natin ma-achieve yung ating goal. Kaya yung step 1 and 2, para sa akin, napaka-importante. Although, syempre, yung lahat ng steps, importante silang lahat. Pero the first 2 is really very important kasi yun yung first one will be our compass, yun yung mag-guide sa atin, and commitment is yun yung way para ma-attain natin yung ating goal. So, be proactive about the choices you make. You have to be in control. So, be positive in thought about each situation we encounter. So, sometimes your mental attitude will determine many things. So, we have to determine to be changed. Kasi, kapag may gusto tayong marating, kailangan talaga may magbago sa atin. Kasi sabi nga nila, kung ang ginagawa mo last year ay katulad pa rin ng ginagawa mo ngayon, don't expect na magkakaroon ka ng different result. So, dapat talaga mayroong changes. Kaya importante na consistent tayo at may ginagawa tayo everyday. So, give to change. The Atomy system does not require money, knowledge, or experience. We just simply tell people about our experience. So, kung tutusin, hindi naman ganun kahirap. Kailangan lang talaga natin na maging committed and consistently do Atomy. Sabi nila, motivation is what gets you started. Kasi syempre, motivated tayo kung ano yung gusto nating ma-achieve, yung ating goal. But commitment is what keeps you going. Kasi minsan, marami tayong nakikita, parang mga ningas kugon, sabi nga nila. Kasi syempre, napakaganda naman talaga ng Atomy business. So, sa first time na marinig nila or ma-share natin yung Atomy, marami dyan nagiging excited, gustong-gusto nila. But the problem is, how long they will last? Are they committed to keep going? So commitment leads to action, and action brings your dream closer. Kaya importante yung step number 2, which is commitment. Now let's go to step number 3, which is list up. So in listing up, we list all the people that you will want to approach. Sabi ni chairman, do not list people who might be interested in doing the business. Just put down every individual we know. So, hindi tayo namimili. Huwag nating isipin na, oh, mas hindi siguro nito gagawin, hindi naman ito business person. Ang guide sa atin ng ating mga leaders, lahat ng kakilala natin, ilista lang natin. So, check your Facebook friends. Pero for me, I started with my family. So, when I do my list up and when I started Atomy, I really started with my own family. My son, my brothers and sisters, my in-laws, my niece and nephews. So, they are my very first members. So, they are my list. They are on my list. And then, other than your family members, your relatives, and then yung mga friends, mga kaklase. So we have a lot na pwede nating mailista. The speed at which you inform the people on the list will determine your success. So importante din na gawin natin yung nasa list up natin. Kailangan makontak natin sila immediately. So, if you want to achieve something challenging in your life, make them happen in an intensive manner. So, kailangan talaga we work on it. So, in another explanation, when listing up, let's create the list of everyone na gusto nating i-share yung good news. Kasi nga narinig natin yung Atomy, nakita natin kung gaano kaganda yung Atomy. So, isipin natin, sino ba yung mga mahal natin sa buhay na gusto nating pag-sharean din ng good news about sa opportunity na binibigay ni Atomy. And we don't prejudge. Sabi nga, kailangan wag nating isipin na, ay, hindi niya to gagawin. Naku, hindi, mahiyain to, baka hindi niya gawin. Hindi po ganon. Dahil hindi natin iniisip, baka yung mga akala nating hindi gagawin ng Atomy, sila pala yung ating mga magiging jewel or sila pala yung ating mga magiging totoong business partners. So, and also, we have to continue to add to our list. Kasi kapag nag-list up tayo, sabi nga nila, yung ating list dapat lagi nating ina-update. Kasi everyday, may maaari tayong mga makasalimuhang tao. May mga pwede tayong maidagdag. Halimbawa, yung mga nakakasabay natin sa bus. Or, ayan, si DM says, very napakagaling niyan. Idol ko yan pagdating sa cold marketing. So, basta may narinig na Pilipino kapag kahit nasa tour, talagang lalapitan niya. So, usually, yung mga nakakausap natin, pwede natin silang idagdag sa ating list para pwede natin silang ma-follow up later on. And we can also use the 3-meter rule. So, sabi nila, halimbawa, kahit yung mga, halimbawa sa bus stop. So, yung lagi nating nakikita or lagi nating nakakasabay sa bus, kahit hindi natin alam yung pangalan, pwede nating sabihin na yung my busmate, 7 p.m. busmate. Or yung lagi mong nakakasabay na mag-grocery, ilagay mo lang, yung uncle na nakakasabay ko sa grocery. Kahit hindi natin kilala, pwede nating ilagay sa list. Kasi balang araw, pwede natin silang makausap. So, when making list, sabi nila dapat ang bawat isa sa atin actually we can have at least 250 in our list. Yun ay sa umpisa. Pero marami ang nagsasabi na wala akong masyadong kakilala, hindi ako katulad mo na maboka. Kaya nahihirapan silang mag-list down. Pero sa totoo lang, sabi nga nila, if there's a will, there's a way. So, once na naumpisahan mo na ang paglilista, dadami ng dadami. So, yun. The next step is invitation. So, this is step 4. And the purpose of invitation is to make appointment. So, kapag nag-i-invite, napaka-importante yung phone calls. We really need to make phone calls kasi kapag mga message lang, medyo mahina yung dating. Sabi nga nila, we are really committed kapag tinatawagan natin yung mga nasa list natin. And it is also important na mayroon tayong naka-target or naka-commit. Ilang tao ang tatawagin natin per day or per week. Tapos, kapag tinawagan natin, of course, our purpose is to let them try the product, listen to the product lecture, or attend one-day seminar and watch video of the day. So, our purpose is invite them so that we can invite them or we can let them try yung mga product. So, sa totoo lang kapag may mga bisita kami, kasi syempre sa Singapore, maraming namamasyal galing Pilipinas. And kung mga kakilala namin, mga kamag-anak, ini-invite namin dito sa bahay. And most of the time, mga visitors talaga namin. Ini-invite namin dito sa bahay, syempre, para makarating sila dito. At the same time, ma-introduce din yung Atomy. And syempre, habang nagchichika-chika, habang nagkukwentuhan, magkakape, so Atomy Cafe Arabica, napakagandang ipatry. Kasi nga, masarap yung kape ng Atomy. And then, syempre, yung mga facial, yung ating magfe-facial, so lagi tayong may facial session. Yun, naiipatry natin yung mga product. So, kapag na-invite natin sila, kailangan, yung purpose natin is, mapastry sa kanila yung mga product. Kasi kapag na-try nila yung product at nagustuhan nila, magandang way para ma-invite natin sila or mapa-join natin sila dito sa ating Atomy business. So, sabi nila, what is considered really working is kapag nagpo-phone call tayo and meet people and let them or invite them to attend the training. So, yun, that is step 4, which is invitation. Kailangan natin invite yung mga nasa lista natin. So, kapag mayroon akong 2 klase ng list. Ito, ginawa ko to after na nag-meet kami ni Ate Vicky. So, yung 2 list ko is, one of my list is, yung mga hindi pa member ng Atomy or hindi ko pa siya member ng Atomy, pero nasa listahan ko siya at saka yung mga new targets. And my other list is, yung mga Atomy members na-register ko na before, nakausap ko na before, pero, nag-try sila ng product before, pero napapansin ko na hindi na ulit. Kumbaga, hindi sila continuous na bumibili. And you know what? Dahil sa follow up sa kanila, yung karamihan, nagre-reorder sila. Kasi sometimes, gusto naman talaga nila yung product. Pero, dahil hindi pa talaga nakatanim sa puso nila na mag-change ng brand, minsan kailangan sundutin. So, kaya importante na lagi natin silang tatawagan at kukumustahin. Okay, ang step 5 natin is explain the business. So in explaining the business, we explain the company concept, the product, compensation plan, and Atomy vision. So kapag inintroduce natin yung company, we just briefly tell them, Atomy is an online distribution hub, online shopping mall, global opportunity with no capital investment, and we can convert household expenses into household income. So minsan nga kapag may kinakausap ako, sinasabi ko lang sa kanila, ay sabihin ko na meron akong magandang nakitang business and gusto kong i-share sa inyo. Dahil alam ko naman din na marami din talaga ang nangangailangan ng additional income or maganda rin para sa ating retirement. And of course, pwede rin nating i-introduce ang ating business by sharing the products. So, yung product natin, we can tell them about the mastage, yung strategy na ginagamit ng ating company. So, we have the mass plus prestige, meaning prestigious products na affordable para sa masa. Kasi yung ating product is daily necessities. So, introduce natin yung product. Ano ba yung mga product ng Atomy? Sa pang-araw-araw na ginagamit natin sa bahay, mayroon tayo lahat mula sa pagising sa umaga, kapag naligo, may body wash, may shampoo, conditioner, toothpaste, toothbrush. Kapag maglalaba, may sabong panglaba, mayroon ding panghugas ng plato. Marami tayong products. Of course, Korean product, kilalang-kilala tayo sa mga beauty products. At ang ating mga health supplements, may pagmamalaki po talaga natin. So, we can just introduce yung mga favorite product natin. In that way, may introduce na natin yung business. Another is, kung familiar na tayo sa compensation plan, pwede nating ma-explain na ang Atomy ay binary, no registration fee, no maintenance fee, unlimited level and unlimited accumulation, no time-bound, global one marketing, at may equal opportunity and compensation plan. Napakaganda po ng compensation plan ng Atomy kasi kahit hindi siya katulad ng ibang network marketing na kung sino yung nauna, usually sila lang yung kumikita ng malaki. Sa Atomy, we have equal opportunity at pwedeng lahat tayo maging imperial master. Kailangan lang po talaga nating trabahuhin. So we have to share the vision. Ano ba talaga yung pwede nating ma-achieve kay Atomy? Ano yung nakikita mo? Ano yung magiging buhay natin? So kung yung step 1 natin ay yung setting a goal, yun yung vision natin na tayo ay magiging successful. So, ano yung pwede natin na ma-share sa mga tao? Ano yung kagandahan ng Atomy business? And step 6 is follow up. So, when we do follow up, we also make phone calls. And it is important na mag-call tayo within 48 hours of meeting. This is to do check-up, especially for the new members. Kasi sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, minsan kapag in-explain natin yung Atomy, na-share natin yung kagandahan ng business, kagandahan ng compensation plan, ng vision ng Atomy, yung kaharap natin excited na excited, and then they will decide to join. Pero siguro pag uwi niya sa bahay, kinuwento niya kasama niya sa bahay. And then sabi nung kasama sa bahay, naku, networking yan, huwag kang magpapapaniwala dyan. Tapos yun nawala na. Hindi na, nagbago na agad ang isip. So, importante na ma-follow up natin, matawagan natin within 48 hours para kung mayroon man siyang doubt or kung mayroon man siyang narinig na hindi maganda, pwede nating maklarify. Kaya importante na we will do the follow-up within 48 hours. So make sure to see how your customers and partners are doing. Halimbawa din, so kapag may binentahan tayo ng evening care for set, so syempre nahiya siya bumili. At saka nagandahan naman talaga nung pinatry natin yung pang facial. Tapos bumili siya. Pero pagdating sa bahay, hindi pala alam kung paano gamitin. So, importante na alagaan natin ang ating customers. Kailangan explain natin paano gamitin yung product na binenta natin. So, sabi nila, we have to do the check-up. Do not just sell once and forget. Do not just tell once and assume. And do not just think that they know. Kasi halimbawa, yung peeling gel, baka hindi nila alam na dapat 2 times a week lang yon or 1 time a week lang. Tapos araw-araw na ginamit. Tapos naging sensitive yung skin. Mamaya nagreklamo. O kaya naman yung foam cleanser. Kasi yung foam cleanser, kaya siya tinawag na foam cleanser, yung bisa niya nasa foam. Pero hindi mo pala na-explain kay consumer na kailangan pabulain muna siya sa kamay bago ihilamos. So, hindi niya nakuha yung magandang result. Hindi niya nagustuhan. Hindi na siya nag-repeat order. Sayang naman. Kaya, very important na ma-explain natin sa ating mga partners kung paano gamitin yung mga products. So, we can do that kapag nag-follow up tayo. So, sabi, talaga, hindi yung after na napamember mo na, napa-sign up mo na, aasa ka na lang na they can, na they can survive. Kasi, sabi nga ng ating CEO, kailangan alagaan natin sila na parang mga anak natin. So, lalo na sa umpisa, we have to guide them. We have to guide our members. Kasi syempre, sa umpisa, hindi pa rin nila masyadong alam. Kaya, kailangan din tayo, as a leaders, so dapat alam din natin. Kasi, paano natin ituturo, paano gamitin ang evening care for set kung tayo mismo, hindi natin alam kung paano gamitin. So, yun. So, let's do the follow-up para hindi after 1 year, maraming nag-gray sa ating lineage. Kailangan lagi nating napapollow up yung members natin. And wag naman sana nangyayari na saka lang tayo magpa-follow up kapag mag-challenge. Kailangan lagi natin silang kukumustahin. Kasi nakakahiya naman lagi kapag tatawagan lang kapag kailangan mo ng points. Hindi ganon. So, let's always do follow up with our partners. So, the next step is consultation. So, consultation is very important kasi minsan sasabihin ng mga members, I don't know anyone, wala akong masyadong kakilala. So, paano ba ako gagawa ng list? So, there's many ways na pwede nating i-consult sa ating leaders. I mean, maraming bagay or maraming topic na pwedeng mapag-usapan during consultation. So, halimbawa, kung iniisip mo, hindi mo alam or iniisip ng member mo, konti lang ang kakilala niya, hindi siya makapag-list down. So, you can sit down together and guide your member to list down. So, importante kung yung mga mag-umpisa sa mga malalapit, yung mga kapamilya, kamag-anak, kaibigan, katrabaho, kaklase, tapos yung mga nasa phone book or nasa FB friends. So, another is na pwedeng mapag-usapan during consultation. May mga members tayo, sasabihin nila, no one would register sa akin. Walang nagme-member sa akin. Paano ba yon? So, we have to check. Na-explain ba natin ng maayos yung company? Na-introduce ba natin, naipakilala ba natin ng tama si Atomy? Na-explain ba natin ano yung magandang opportunity ni Atomy? So, tutulungan natin si member para maliwanagan at matutunan yung mga hindi niya alam. And as a member naman, we have to consult to our leaders kasi kailangan nating tanggapin na hindi natin alam ang lahat. So, kailangan nating matuto, kailangan nating magpaturo. Another thing na pwedeng pag-usapan, minsan ang hirap, there's hardly any sales. Bakit walang PBing pumapasok sa team ko? Walang nagsa-shopping. So siguro, check yourself also. Ikaw ba bumibili rin ng products? Kasi kung ikaw mismo hindi gumagamit ng products, hindi mo na isi-share sa mga members mo or sa mga kakilala mo, paano naman sila bibili? Wala nga silang idea ano yung mga product. So, importante, we ourselves become auto-consumer first, and then we share them to our partners and to our consumers. Another thing, sabihin ng ibang member, bakit yung downline ko is not getting bigger? Bakit ganun lang, hindi dumadami? So, check again. Let's check how the member is doing. Or how are we doing? Tinatawagan ba natin yung nasa list natin? Kinakausap ba natin yung mga nakakaharap natin at ino-introduce natin si Atomy? So, marami. Consultation is one of the steps na makakatulong sa atin kasi nga kailangan natin ng guidance ng ating leaders. So we have to consult sa ating mga leaders. Tsaka yung leaders kasi natin, marami na silang pinagdaanan. At bago nila narating yung success nila, which is yun din yung pagdadaanan natin, may mga experience sila na pwedeng maituro sa atin. Which is yun ang isang nagustuhan ko sa Atomy kasi hindi madamot yung mga tao, lalo na yung mga leaders. Kasi nga, tuturuan nila tayo. But, we as a member, we have to contact our leaders para mag-consult. Don't expect na palaging si leader ang tatawag kay member kasi imagine kung yung leader mo mayroong 500 members or mayroong 1,000 members on her team, don't expect na lahat yon makokontak niya or lagi niyang makukumusta. Kaya dapat tayo as a member, tayo yung mag-reach out sa ating mga leader to consult. And good thing sa mga leaders natin, we are very lucky kasi yung mga leaders natin, lahat sila very helpful na kapag nagtanong tayo or nag-consult tayo sa kanila, hindi ka mapapahiya. So, and the last step is duplication. So, in duplication, we have to do exactly like successful people did when they first started. So, kaya nga sabi ko kanina, it is important na mag-consult tayo sa ating mga leaders kasi doon natin malalaman ano yung mga ginawa nila. Kasi para ma-duplicate natin or para magaya natin yung ating leaders, so mag-consult tayo sa kanila. And for the leader, importante na ma-duplicate yung sarili. Ibig sabihin, kung halimbawa, kasi para hindi na lang yung tinatawag nilang leveraging. Kasi kung ikaw lang yung magtatrabaho, mas konti lang yung posible mong ma-achieve. Pero kung minultiply mo yung iyong sarili, halimbawa, ako, SM Belen, kung ako lang ay isang SM Belen na nagtatrabaho, maaaring maka-achieve ako ng 10, 20, 20%. Hindi natin alam. Pero kung mayroong 3 or 4 or 5 SM Belen or maraming SM Belen na nagtatrabaho, mas madaling ma-achieve ang 100% na success. So, make up your mind to follow their footsteps. For good duplication, the original version must be also good. So, sabi nga nila, if you don't see yourself as a good example to your partners, you must change the original version of yourself. Kasi, halimbawa, gusto mong i-duplicate ang iyong sarili, pero ikaw mismo hindi ka nag-a-attend ng mga seminars, hindi ka nag-a-attend ng success system, ano yung ma-expect mo sa iyong members? So, for us, kung gusto natin ng magandang result ng ating duplication or ng multiplication of ourselves, kailangan tayo mismo maging the best version na pwedeng maging example. So, we teach and replicate. We go through steps 1 to 7, and then we help our partners. Sabi nga nila, a tree can only be as good as the seed it came from. So, kung tayo mismo hindi magandang example, most likely, yung mga partners natin, hindi rin magiging maganda yung kanilang gagayahin or yung magiging result natin. So, ayan, that is 8 steps to success. So, to summarize, set a goal, commitment, list up, invitation, explain the business, follow up, consultation, and duplication. And what's next? Your choice. Act now. So we really need to be consistent, be committed, at ang team ng Atomy for this year with speed up decision, we have to emerge ourselves. Okay, so with that, thank you very much. I am SM Belen Padilla. Thank you, and back to you, DM Rallen.
Ayan, palakpakan naman natin si Sales Master Belen Padilla or Future Diamond Master. Okay, so sa mga nakamiss ng simula, please do watch the replay. Okay. Ayan. So, we are going to end the live. Maraming salamat po sa nag-stay tuned in. Nag-stay tuned in. Wala na naman sa sarili. Okay, 8 steps to success. Sana may natutunan kayo. Ano ang secret? Follow the 8 steps to success. At sabi ni Coach Chu, ang secret sa 8 steps to success is yung step 0. Be a good person. If you're not a good person, you can't be part of the Atomy. So, start joining Atomy. Be a good person. Follow 8 steps to success, and the law of success will happen. So, thank you all for watching, and let's end with the company motto. So, company motto, are you ready?
Yes.
One
Yes.
more time. Company motto, are you ready?
Yes.
Go! Cherish the spirit, create the vision, follow the vision, serve in
Unity.
unity. Ayan. Okay, bye Facebook viewers. I love you all.